Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn and Share, your go-to channel for all things tech and creativity. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a website using Canva. Whether you are a beginner or looking for an easy way to create a stunning website, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Alright, as usual, first things first, head over to canva.com and log in or sign up if you are new. And once you're in, search for website in the search bar and you will see a variety of templates pop up. Canva offers several customizable website templates to make your design process smoother. Yes, let's keep rolling. Scroll through the templates and choose one of the best fits the type of website you would want to create, and it could be for a portfolio, a blog, a business, photography, or even a landing page for your event today. And I'll choose for example a portfolio website template to show you how flexible Canva is. It's really fun and amazing. Now comes the fun part of it. Just keep locked. You can customize everything in this template. Let's start with the images. Just click on any image and replace it with your own, or pick one from Canva's huge library. Next, change the text by clicking on the text box and typing your content. You can edit the font size and colors to match your branding or style. If you need more selections, or if you need more sections like an about us or services page or blog or anything, you can easily duplicate or add new sections from the left panel. Canva gives a complete control over how many pages your website has. Alright, now let's try adjusting the layout for the mobile view. And one of the most important aspects of a website design is making sure it looks good on both the desktop and the mobile. Canva allows you to preview your design in mobile format. So let's switch to the mobile view and make a few adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect on a smaller screen. Alright, and now it's time to publish our website. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to go live. Canva makes it easy to publish your website. Just click publish as the website button at the top right, and you'll have options to choose between scrolling website or navigation menu style. Select your preferred option and Canva will generate a live link for you. And that's it. In case you don't have a domain, Canva can also help you purchase a domain. You can purchase a domain for your website through Canva as well. And there you have it, a beautifully designed website created in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of website you are designing with Canva. See you in the next video.